Did you know Morse code emerged in the mid-19th century race to send messages faster by telegraph, turning dots and dashes into a universal language bridging continents? Samuel Morse and his collaborators formalized those pulses into letters, sparking a global communication revolution used by ships, railways, and emergency services for generations. Loving these hidden invention stories? Hit subscribe and join us as we uncover enigmatic journeys behind everyday technologies that quietly connect our lives. In this bite-sized episode, we show how a simple coding scheme reshaped travel, news, and safety, turning distant whispers into reliable, audible connections. Subscribe for more mysterious origins of forgotten genius with History Unsolved Eureka.